beef sausage.
Beef sausage twister.
Just this.
It's a beef sausage twister. From Granby, we got our beef sausage twisters. We're going to barbecue these up real nice and bring on a real Turkish delight.
We've been cooking Granby sausages today, so I would advise offset cooked. Our fire is here, so we'll actually cook everything offset. Like our burgers would always be cooked offset, our sausage will be cooked offset. If you want to put a little bit of colour on them, then afterwards just take them and roll them around in the flames for a few minutes.
Okay, here we have our Granby beef sausage twister. In here we got natural yogurt, a little bit of mint, coriander as well, a little bit of a run through. This is all going to go into our natural yogurt. Squeeze a lemon, most important. It makes everything better. Get a nice mix round. Onto our pita. We're going to get our beef twisters on here now next. Then we can garnish. So, nice little bit of cucumber. Chop it up nice and fine. A little bit of red onion. A little bit of chili. Heat and colour and flavour. Absolutely beautiful. A little flourish of lemon just to finish it off. There we have it. Our Turkish delight brought to you by Granby's beef twister sausage.